You hear English like this every day. But do you really understand it? Let's fix that together.
Excuse me, could you help me? I am looking for the pasta section.
Of course. It is in aisle 5 on the right, next to the rice.
Thank you. This store is so big. I always get lost here.
Yes, that happens to a lot of people. Are you new around here?
Yes, I moved here last month. Everything still feels a bit confusing.
Welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know. By the way, we have a great discount on Italian pasta today.
Oh, that is great. I will take 2 packs then. You have been really helpful.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Wow, it is so cold today. I did not expect this.
I know, right? Yesterday it was warm and sunny, and now it feels like winter again.
Exactly. I forgot my gloves at home. My hands are freezing.
Here, you can borrow my scarf if you want. It is really warm.
Are you sure? That is so kind of you.
No problem at all. So how do you like living here? Do you miss the warm weather from your old city?
Sometimes yes, but I am starting to enjoy the seasons here. It makes life more interesting.
That is a good way to think about it.
Hi, how are you doing today? Is this your first time here?
Hi. Yes, it is my first visit. I feel a bit nervous.
Do not worry. Everyone feels like that at the beginning. What is your goal? Do you want to lose weight, build muscle, or just stay healthy?
I just want to feel more energetic and sleep better.
Great choice. We can start with some simple exercises. How often can you come?
Maybe 3 times a week after work.
Perfect. I will show you a good beginner plan. You will see results quickly if you stay consistent.
Thank you so much. I already feel more motivated.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size would you like? And would you like oat milk or regular milk?
Large, please. And oat milk. I am trying to drink less dairy.
Great choice. Would you like anything to eat? Our banana bread is fresh and very popular today.
Why not? I will take 1 piece. I had a long morning.
Coming right up. I will make it quickly for you.
Thank you. You are always so friendly here.
Excuse me, I am a bit lost. Can you tell me how to get to the Central Park?
Of course. Go straight down this street for about 300 meters, then turn left at the big supermarket.
Okay, straight, then left. Got it. Is it far?
Not really. It is only about 10 minutes on foot. You will see a big fountain when you arrive.
Thank you so much. I am new here and still learning the city.
No worries. If you want, I can walk with you for the first part. I am going in the same direction.
Really? That would be amazing. You are very kind.
Happy to help. So, where are you from?
I am from Spain. I just arrived a few days ago. The city already feels so beautiful.
Oh, that is nice. You picked a great time to visit. The park looks especially beautiful this season.